Good morning, students. In the last class, we have started our first chapter in chemistry, class 8, materials, metals and non-metals. And this is the part 2. Today, last class, we have seen what are metals, what are non-metals, and what are the characteristic features of metals. Today, we will discuss about the characteristic features of non-metals, so that we can easily understand what are non-metals. And after that we will discuss about the metalloids, and in the next class we will study about the comparison between metals and non-metals. So today we will discuss about non-metals. Characteristic of, you should note down in your chemistry notebook, characteristic of non-metals. Now, what are the characteristic features of non-metals? The first point is non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile. Non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile, but it is brittle. in nature. It is brittle in nature. Now, you should understand what this point says. Non-metals is neither malleable. This means non-metals cannot be beaten into thin sheet. Neither it can be changed into thin wire, but it is brittle. If we beat non-metals with a hammer or stretch non-metals, it brittles, it breaks into pieces. So it is brittle in nature. It is not malleable, it is not ductile, but it is brittle in nature. If we apply force, if we strike them with hard object, non-metals breaks into pieces. Second point, non-metals are usually bad conductor of electricity. And heat also. Non-metals क्या करता है? हीट को और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट नहीं करेगा. This means all the non-metals will not conduct neither heat nor electricity. This means it is bad conductor of electricity or heat. Third point, it is not lustrous. It is not lustrous or shiny. ये lustrous नहीं होता. It is not lustrous. It means it does not shine. It means it has dull in appearance. Okay. Not as, it is dull in appearance. Now next point. Non-metal is not lustrous. It means it does not shine, but it is dull in appearance. इसका appearance पता dull होता है. Next, non-metals are usually neither hard nor strong. Non-metals are neither hard nor strong. It means it can be cut easily. Non-metals are usually neither hard. It is neither hard nor strong. That means it can be cut very easily. Next point, non-metals may be, what are the physical features of, what are the physical features of nonmetals. Nonmetals may be solid, liquid, or gas. It may be solid, it may be liquid, or it may be gas. We have seen in the last classes metals exist in solid, only solid. ठीक है, only one metals present in liquid form, that is mercury, but nonmetals exist in all the three states: solid, liquid, as well as gases. Okay. 6 point. Nonmetals have generally low melting point and low boiling point. Low melting point and low boiling point. Generally, all the nonmetals have low melting point and low boiling point. मतलब कि ये बहुत जल्दी गर्म भी, ये बहुत जल्दी मेल्ट भी कर जाएगा, ये बहुत जल्दी गर्म भी हो जाएगा. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देखते हैं. 6 पॉइंट. 7.6. Written here 7 point. Nonmetals have low density. It means, what is the meaning of low density? It means it is light. It is light in weight. ठीक है. इसका डेंसिटी ज़्यादा नहीं होता, बहुत कम डेंसिटी होता है, तो इसका मतलब वो हल्का होगा. It is light. And the last point is nonmetals are not sonorous. So what is the meaning of sonorous? Last day I have discussed about the sonorous. It is a property of element. It means to produce a ringing sound when we hit with a hard object. And we have written here nonmetals are not sonorous. मतलब it means nonmetals will not produce any ringing sound, any sound when we strike it with a hard object. So it means it will not produce any sound on striking with a hard object. Okay, this is all about the characteristic features of nonmetals. ठीक है, मुझे इतना ही पढ़ना था. सब अगर नोट कर दो उसको और you should memorize it. Now next point, our third category is, last day we have discussed metals. All the elements are classified into 3 groups: metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. So we have discussed last classes metals. Today we have discussed nonmetals. Now we will study about metalloids now. Look, one point is left in nonmetals. Out of 92 naturally occurring elements, only 22 elements are nonmetals. Okay, 92 elements में we have only 22 elements are nonmetals. Okay, and out of this 22 nonmetals, out of these 22 non-metals, 11 non-metals are solid, 1 non-metals is liquid, and remaining 10 non-metals are gaseous. Now here one question is asked: which non-metal is present in liquid state? The answer is bromine. You should remember this. Bromine is the only non-metal which is present in liquid form. Okay. Now today I will restrict our lecture to non-metals, and in the next day we will discuss about metalloids, and after that we will give comparison about the metals and non-metals. And today we will restrict our lecture up to till here. You have to remember all this. If you face any problem, you can message Ravi sir, so that we can give answer to you in video lecture. Okay? Now bye.